editing course sections. If we turn the editing on in our course by clicking the gear menu and then turn editing on, we can quickly rename our sections from, for example, the week 1, I'm going to rename it by clicking on this pencil icon. Then I can type the new name and press enter. If we now click on the edit and then edit week, we can also add a summary of the section using the formattings available. If I click Save Changes at the bottom, you can see that the topic section has been renamed and its name also reflected on the navigation drawer on the right. It is also possible with the editing turned on to move the sections. Just click on the crosshair icon and drag and drop. Now I have moved the second week up above the first week. Click on the edit and you can go and delete the week if you need not it to be appear anymore. Remember, this also deletes any activity in that section, but you can get them back again from the recycle bin link in the gear menu. This usually only appears once if deleted something, depending on your administrative setting. This course currently have only 2 sections, so I can add one or more sections by quickly go to the bottom and click on Add Weeks. So I am going to add a new week and then click on Add Weeks. Now I have successfully added a new week.